Hi, I'm Anthony.
I'm David.
I'm David's dad.
I'm Anthony's son.
We just been spending the day wrenching. That's why we look so beautiful.
My hands have been cleaned, but they're not clean.
Mine are cleaner than his. He rebuilt a carburetor
And replaced the thermostat.
on the 67 Impala. So complete tune-up there on that one when you combine it with the new stuff that I put in earlier.
It has a HEI distributor, so tune-up does not include points and stuff.
Exactly. And then this, Grim, my sister's motorhome, had to replace some brake lines, having some terrible screeching noises before I did it. After replacing the brake lines, it's pretty quiet, and it's really nice to have such a firm brake pedal.
He flared them himself.
It did. It was my very first time, and I only screwed one up, and I caught it before I put it on, so that's a good thing.
I only screwed one thing up with the carburetor rebuild, which was luckily very easily to fix. I didn't put on a choke thingy the right way, so it wouldn't open all the way at first. So I just had to take a bolt out and then change it, and then it was good.
So that's not bad.
Yeah.
And we haven't even got to actually tuning the carb. It's just set at 1.5. So yeah.
1.5 turns out.
Good
Idle
job.
speed is set to barely touching is just enough to get it started. And it's idling with 19 HG of vacuum, which is really good for something that old.
Which is what, 2 inches more than we had before you rebuilt it? We had 17?
We had 16-ish, and it would fluctuate, but now it's a solid 19.
So, all in all, a productive pre-Father's Day.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like we're good fathers.
Yeah. Oh, and his grandson, my son, was involved in it too, but he's sleeping now.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But he was a big help.
Yep.
And maybe he'll get to see this video when he's older and knows how big a help he was.
His little 1-year-old self helped a bunch.
He did. Definitely emotional support.
Very good emotional support.
Okay. See y'all.
Your little hands got in places we couldn't reach.
Yeah, absolutely.